We have learned about sorting and filtering in our previous lecture. Now I am working. Now I have to work on data validation. What is the meaning of data validation? Data validation means there is a check while entering the value and whether it is correct or incorrect, valid or invalid. So we can check, you can check, and different error messages are there which can be applied while entering the value or to the data. Now how can it perform? There is a data validation group element tool in the data tab of data tools group. Data tool group contains data validation of, and it is a tool, it is a group of data tab. We have to select the data validation. It consists of data validation circle invalid data, clear invalidation circle. Now first we have to perform the data validation. Data validation means you have to check whether the entry is correct or incorrect, and you have to take action according to the correct entry or incorrect entry. Now I am moving to the next sheet. Here is a, suppose a database is here. It contains code, name, age and salary, and we want to enter the age in between 21 to 35. So our condition is age in between 21 to 35. So if data validation check is here, then we cannot enter age below 21 and more than 35. So for this, first you have to select the range in which you want to perform the validation rule. Click on the data validation tool, data validation, select the data validation. It consists of three panes. It consists of three panes: settings, input message and error alert. In settings you have to give the condition for the checking. In input message it will show the message when you enter the value, and it will an error alert, it will for your checking the value, acceptance or rejection of value. Now first pane is setting. Here criteria is allow. You can select any value, decimal, list, date, time, etc. Suppose I select the whole number and select the, we have what is the condition for accepting the age? It is 21, in between 21 to 35. So I have to select the between, and for minimum age is 21, minimum value is 21 and maximum is 35. Now the input message, it contains title and input message. Here title contains title, it will show age entry, and it is a message for entering the value. Next is error alert. Error alert, there are three styles: stop, warning and information. In information it only inform that the entered value is incorrect. It will show message if the entered value is incorrect. Warning means it will show error message, but it asks for acceptance or rejection. If you press the yes, then it will accept the wrong value. If you press the no, then it rejects the value. And what is the meaning of stop? Stop means it cannot be proceed until the correct value is entered. Means there is no concept of yes no. If age is in between 21 to 35, then after it accept the value, otherwise it ask for retry. So let's see one by one. Suppose I select the information. Okay, now here it age entry is a heading, and enter age between 21 to 35. Now suppose I enter the age 2. It only show the error message was देख कर काम करो, and title is error. If you accept the OK, then it will accept the value, otherwise it cancel the value. Now suppose I select it, and it is error title and error message देख कर काम करो. and information. Next is warning. In this case, when you accept the enter the value, it shows the warning that it देख कर काम करो, and if you press the continue yes, then it will accept the value. In case of no, it will reject the value. Now suppose I want to press yes, it will accept the value. Next is error. Next is stop. Okay, now I want to enter 12, enter. There is no concept of acceptance here. Value will accept only when the age is in between 21 to 35. It will ask for retry or cancel. There is no concept of acceptance or rejection. It only accept value only when the condition is true. If condition is not true, then it asks for retry. Suppose I enter 23, it will accept the value. Clear? It will not accept the value because higher range is 35. Clear? Data validation means it is used to check entry while entering the database, while creating the database. It is data validation. I think it will be clear in your mind. Next concept is pivot table. What is the meaning of pivot? Pivot means just a nail. It is a pivot table means when your database is large enough to handle, and if you want to perform some comparative study on the database, then this pivot table concept is in use. Through it you can perform the comparative study on the database on the desired field. Clear? It is available in form of chart and table. Now suppose I have a table. Which is not large enough, but it consists of 20 records, and you have to perform the pivot table. You have to perform the comparative study of the database. Here the fields are region, salesperson, sale, and year. It shows the region wise data. There are different salespersons and their sale value, and it shows the in this year this salesperson of this region sells this type of value. Suppose I want to comparative study on the region or sales, etc. It is up to you on which you want to perform the comparative study. Suppose this I want to perform the pivot table. It is available in insert tab. Group is tables and tool is pivot table. Click on it. We have to work on pivot table. First it asks for the table or range. It is selected over here. Now where you want, now next is it is asked for where you want to place the pivot table, existing worksheet or new worksheet. Suppose I select the existing worksheet, and suppose it is 21. Suppose I place here at A30. Okay, now it shows here task pane available. Task pane appears where different fields are displayed, and there are 4 areas which is displayed. Number 1, report filter. When you perform the pivot table, there appears 4 areas for working on the pivot table. Number 1 is report filter, number 2 is column label, number 3 is row labels, and next is sigma means value, means in this particular area you have to place the value. In all three you can input any types of value. So if you want to perform the filtration or comparison on particular field, you have to drag that particular field in the report filter. You have to drag. Next is salesperson. You can drag it at column label. Next is year. Suppose you drag the row label. And next is sale. Remember, in sigma value only numeric value can be entered. Clear? Now here a comparative state for all information available in form of summarized form. Here region all. Suppose you want to perform east region. Now it shows the region, each region, different year and their sales. And suppose you want to perform the sale of ABC of east region. In east region there is no ABC. Suppose element. In east region there are two element which shows the value 2010 and 2000. It is wrong, and it is the sum of the sale. PQR works in 2018 and 2019 of east region. Suppose here you select the all, then PQR sales employee work in this years and the different sales are this, and it is a grand total. Now you can also drag particular field to any other region. Next, clear? Similarly, you can find the any other information. You can find the different years. Suppose you want to find the 2019 sale of all region of all employee. ABC. It shows 2019 sales of all regions of all employee. It is, there are three types of employee: ABC, LMN and PQR. ABC this, LMN this and PQR this. Clear? So through it you can perform comparative study on your desired field. Remember the different columns are report filter, column label, row label and values. Remember one thing, that values must contain the numeric field. It cannot contain the textual value. Now if you want to perform the graph, pivot graph, then again you select it and go to the insert, and in the table group there is a pivot table. Select the pivot chart. Range is here. Suppose I want existing worksheet. Suppose it is here. Drag the field at desired location where you want to. Now automatically a chart is created on the basis of, it shows the comparative study of different salesperson. Why it is shows salesperson? Because legend fields salesperson. Suppose you want to work according to the region, then you can drag it here. There are different ABC of north, ABC of south, ABC of west. It shows the comparative study of different region. It shows the sale report of different regions of all the employees. It shows the in 2015 south, sale of south is highest. In 2010 sale of north is highest, and in 2018 east is highest, 19 again south highest, and 2020 it is wrong written. 2020 is I think there is tie between the west and east. So it is all about the pivot table. Now we have learned about data validation and pivot table and pivot chart. Through it we can perform the comparison. Okay, thank you.